We were advised to put in just a full price offer because of the location and what the price was, so we did that and it worked out perfect. So
it was the most stressful process of, I think, the whole experience.
I already found the perfect fit. I didn't want it to slip through my hands. I really didn't.
The most common mistake as far as making an offer goes is that we get so emotionally involved with the house that we're like, I don't care, I'll pay more. And you can't start out like a fool. You gotta play it cool.
when it was time to make the offer, we were going to open houses in the neighborhood and getting an idea of what everything was going for.
I'm always a comparer. You definitely have to compare. You can't just go into it blind.
Comps help determine your bid. They're a part of that process. Let's break this down. Let's pretend you're buying bananas, okay? And one banana down the street is 10 cents, and the other guy's trying to charge, 25 cents for the same banana. I'm going to bid 10 cents on that 25-cent banana because the other guy has the same thing down the street. This is how it works. This is what comps are.
Our realtor was so important to us. She truly guided us from start to finish.
I'll let you take this one. We promised ourselves not to say anything bad. I love our realtor. I think he's great.
I don't know what to say.
In the end, remember this, the formula is your realtor is working for you. You are their boss. You are the one paying them. If it's not working, you hire someone else and you fire them.
When we put in the offer, we definitely, I think it took about 3 days to hear anything back. We regretted it 10 times over.
I would have been crushed if I lost this house just because I didn't offer what I had thought I should have offered.
Some common mistakes, it never fails. Everyone wants a steal, not necessarily being happy with the deal all the time, and so you want to get over anxious when you're bidding on a house and underbid by $20,000, $30,000. That might be okay in a buyer's market, but if you're in a seller's market, and you don't know that, there could be multiple offers on a house, so your offer is not even considered because you came in way too low.
Yes, there was a little bit of a bidding war, but I bid so high.
They accepted our offer. It was full price.
There was no bidding war, so when we put our offer in, they did counter back.
Just know that if you lose the bidding war, that it was probably meant to be. That's not your house. Your house and you will find each other.